Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host Mohar and I'm back today with another very inspirational video for all of you. The video I bought for you today is about Indian playback singer Palak Muchal and her younger brother Palash Muchal, who together, as on 3rd October 2020, have sponsored over 2,200 heart surgeries for children. Amazing, inspirational, awe inspiring. We'll get on to more of her stories shortly. But before we do that, let me share with you that I started the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant on YouTube in March 2020, keeping in view the ongoing COVID 19 pandemic. Our mission was to inspire the present and coming generations to live by the eternal human principles such as honesty, integrity, respect, diversity. These principles, etched in stone, never change over time and place, and this is the only way to permanent success. Towards this mission, we share with you the stories of mankind at their very best on your very own YouTube channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. We also have a Facebook page and a WhatsApp group, which have about 850 and 210 members respectively, where we share daily inspiration for all our members. I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant, please do subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so you get an update on every new video which we release for you, and also share these videos with your friends and family, encourage them to subscribe to the channel and join our mission. The video and the inspirational person I'm speaking to you about today is Palak Muchal and her younger brother Palash. Palak was born on 30th March 1992 in Indore. Her mother is a housewife and her father works in a private company. Palak does playback singing, and she has sung in various Bollywood, Hindi movies, and she also does stage shows where she sings over 40 songs. She can sing in 17 languages. As on October 2020, she and her younger brother have sponsored 2,200 children who needed financial assistance for heart diseases surgeries. She is on the Guinness Book of World Records and Limca Book of Records. Additionally, she has raised 25,000 for the Kargil war efforts in 1999, for the Odisha cyclone in the same year, and over 1 million for the Gujarat earthquake victims in 2001. Her first opportunity came when teachers of Nidhi Vijay Mandir School approached her to do a charity show for the student Lokesh, who required 51,000 rupees to undergo open heart surgery. Lokesh's father, a shoemaker, could not afford that. Palak, along with her younger brother, put on a stage show on a vegetable seller's Bandi and was able to get 51,000 rupees for the surgery. Bangalore based surgeon Devi Prasad Shetty did the surgery free, and the rest is history. Thereafter, Palak, her parents, and her younger brother took out a series of advertisements seeking to support more children in need of heart surgeries. They sponsored 33 children in that very year, 2000. Since then, Palak has gone on to do over 1,460 charity shows and raised over USD 2,40,000 or 1.71 crores. They have sponsored 2,000 children, 2,200 children to date. She is able to sing in 17 languages and sings an average of 40 songs along with her brother in every show. Her shows are called Dil Se Dil Tak, from heart to the heart. And the total money is used of these shows towards the surgery of the children, and she and her brother collect no fee. They only take a doll for each successful surgery completed, which reminds them of the lives they have saved. What an amazing grace and gesture. Palash is also present in every surgery, and she sings the Jain Navarkar mantra while the children are being operated. Friends, playback singer Palak Muchal and her brother Palash Muchal are living examples and inspiration. Service to humanity. Amazing people, inspirational people. Service to humanity at its best. We all cannot be Palak and Palash Muchal. However, in these difficult times when mankind is facing its biggest battle against the infamous COVID 19 virus, I request all of you to make a difference to one. I am a strong proponent of this concept. Scan your neighborhood, check out who needs your help. Your act of kindness to a single person in your community will go a long way in mankind defeating the infamous COVID 19 virus. Make a difference to one person in your community. That's it. That itself will make a difference. Friends, I repeat once again, I'm sure you enjoy these inspirational videos which I bring out for you. Please do subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too are inspired to join our mission and live by the eternal human principles. Till we meet again with another awe-inspiring video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Do stay safe. Take care of yourself and your family in these pandemic times and avoid going out as much as possible. Till we meet again, good luck, all the best.